Hi again, good morning. This is Anna, the Hot Option Babe. Today's September 8th, September 7th, 2011. Okay, I'm going to do a quick video update because it's easier than for me trying to type. Yesterday I mentioned to you guys, I believe I mentioned to you pretty early that I was going long Apple and looking for 382 to 385, and this morning it is right at I believe 385. Let me take, yep, 385.37. That's when Apple was around 375, so we had a $10 move on that. I personally am long 385 calls, so those are going to look sort of good this morning. And, okay, and what made me do that yesterday? Well, I saw this going on, a little bit of this. I just saw it looked like it was ready to turn up. Here, let me go into a more detailed chart and see if I can show. Yesterday, we were right here on the stochastics, and I saw the MACD starting to cross over. Now, we're going to gap up here at the open, so I may close those calls. I have to watch and see how they play out. Because when you make that kind of money in a day, you just go ahead and take your profit and you don't turn back. We can take a quick look here at the 4 hour, and it's got plenty of room to go. And I believe I had everybody, we were talking about it yesterday. We went long in the room, so it wasn't just me. We went long in the room. Now let's go over to the eminis, where I went long yesterday at 11:40, and you can see here, same thing, we are going to rally here. And I'm calling for around 12 to 12.25 on the upside. Now, you can call me crazy, but this is what happens in bear markets. We get these really severe, sharp rallies, and they really hurt when you're bearish. So I'm net long. I have very small short position in Bank of America, but I took a lot of the profit off yesterday. We still have a bear flag here, don't misunderstand me, but it was way oversold, and we now are looking for a few days to the upside, maybe even 1230. You know, I'll have to reassess them, but look for at least 1200. Okay, now on gold, which was the master of all calls yesterday that I actually was lucky enough to make, well, I think the charts were lucky. Charts were good, so that's what I thought. Now, I believe it's coming down to around that 1805 level, and I got short yesterday right around 18, I believe it was 1888. You know, I can't be exactly sure, but it was at that point yesterday when we hit the high and started coming off, and I said, you know, gold's going to go down. So as of right now, the MACD's just turning over here. We got a sell signal here on the histogram. And what interested me yesterday was that the daily it had just started turning down when I got in it. So you can see, and I believe again, it's 1800, 1754 is what I'm looking for before any kind of a bounce. It's got a lot of support right here around 1754. Okay, that being said, trade well, trade carefully. It's going to be a trending up day. I'm trying to take a look and see what I see as far as economic news. I know we have, I also mentioned crude oil when we were at 83 yesterday. I was looking for 87.39, and what's it at right now? 87.68. So we're well above that. I did not take the trade, but somebody asked me about it, and I reversed yesterday. I had been short, then I reversed yesterday to long because the charts told me that. And you might say, well, she said you were short a few days ago. Well, a few days ago was a few days ago, and things get oversold and they bounce. And that's what we're in the middle of now with crude oil. We're going to probably bounce. And at this point, I want to say probably 89 area, and then we'll probably head back down. Okay, guys, have a great day. And if you need anything, if you want to try the room, email me info@hotoptionbabe.com. Thanks, bye.